by Bhanu channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6, New Question and Ideas. This is the chapter of class 6 subject SST History. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Friends, SST History all chapter series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी SST हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, वो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाली सभी न्यू वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस को एंड तक जरूर देखें और बीच में स्किप कर ना जाएं। अगर आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और हमारे चैनल के वीडियोस को लाइक करना ना भूलें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिस्क्राइब द वेज in which the Buddha tried to spread his message to people. Answer of this question is: first, he conveyed his teachings in the Prakrit language. Second, he also encouraged people to think for themselves rather than to simply accept what he said. Third, Gautam Buddha moved from place to place to give his message to all ordinary as well as people from other classes of society. Question number 2. What were the questions that Upanishad thinkers wanted to answer? Answer of this question is: first, Upanishad thinkers wanted to know about life after death. Second, some wanted to know why sacrifices should be performed. Third, they felt there had to be something permanent in the universe that lasted even after death. Their ideas are recorded in the Upanishads. Question number 3. Who were the supporters of Jainism? Where did it spread in India? Answer of this question is: first, Jainism was initially supported mainly by traders. Second, farmers found it difficult to follow the rules since they required to kill the insects affecting crops. Third, Jainism spread to different parts of North India and to Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Question number 4. What were the rules of Sangh? Do you think it would have been easy for slaves to join Sangh? Answer of this question is: first, all men could join the Sangh. Second, men and women who joined the Sangh had to lead simple life. Third, it must have been difficult for slaves to join the Sangh. According to the rules, a slave need to take permission from his or her master for joining Sangh. Question number 5. Write a short note on Panini. Answer of this question is: first, Panini was a grammarian. Second, he prepared a grammar for Sanskrit. Third, he arranged vowels and consonants in a special order. Fourth, he used these to write down the rules of language. Fifth, he also wrote short formulae of algebra. Question number 6. Why were monasteries built? Give few examples. Answer of this question is: first, all the Buddhists and Jain monks went to palace and palace spreading their religion. But during the heavy season, they stayed in one place. Second, their supporters built shelters for them in gardens. Third, many monks lived in natural caves. Fourth, later many monks and nuns realized that they needed permanent shelters. So monasteries known as viharas were built out of either rock and wood. Fifth, few famous monasteries are Twang and Potala monasteries. Question number 7. Explain the system of ashrams. Answer of this question is: first, around the time when Jainism and Buddhism were becoming popular, Brahmins developed the system of ashrams. Second, it is used for a stage of life: Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanprahast and Sannyas. Third, Brahmin, Kshatriya and Vaishya men were expected to lead simple lives and study the Vedas during the early years of their life. Brahmacharya. Fourth, then they had to marry and live as householders. Grihast. Fifth, then they had to live in forest and meditate. Vanprahast. Sixth, finally, they had to give up everything and become sannyas. Question number 8. What were the main teachings of the Mahavir? Why do you think Anagha's mother wanted her to know the story of Buddha? Answer of this question is: first, he thought a simple doctrine. Man and woman who wish to know the truth must leave their homes. Second, they must follow the rule of ahimsa, which means not hurting or killing living beings. Third, don't steal and lead a simple life. Fourth, Anagha was going on a trip to Varanasi, the place where Buddha gave his first sermon near Varanasi. Anagha's mother wanted her to know the story of Buddha so that she could take some lessons from the life of Buddha. And we know that he was a great thinker and his teachings are very important for our lives. Friends, what are the other names of Buddha? Write your answer in the comment box. In which language Buddha taught? Write your answer in the comment box. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें। Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. Friends, SST History All Chapter Series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए आप हमें कमेंट कर बता सकते हैं। हम उस चैप्टर का वीडियो बनाकर अपलोड कर देंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।